Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we're making one of Auntie Merlin's favorites. So this is her recipe I'm sharing with you all. We're making curry stew mango. It's very similar to amchar mango. It's very similar to that curry mango, but this is just her way and her technique when she makes it. So let's jump straight into this recipe. Let me show you how easy it is to make. Gonna start by putting up a pot with water on medium heat and adding in your chopped mango. I'm using 2 large mangoes here. You want to salt that water liberally. You want the mangoes to absorb that salt, and you're going to boil this until they're just tender. Now these are American mangoes, so they don't cook as nice as a Trini long mango or spice mango. Boil it for about 12 to 15 minutes and then you'll drain and set that aside. So to another pot we're going to add some sugar. When I stew or I curry stew, I don't use oil, so if you wanted to use some oil, feel free to. Allow the sugar to melt, and once it starts to melt and bubble, you want to add in your curry powder. Now make sure you don't burn that sugar because it will taste really bitter. So once it starts to bubble and it's dark amber, add in the curry powder and give that a mix. We're going to cook this for about 1 minute on low. And once you add in the curry powder, the sugar will stop caramelizing. So make sure it's a nice dark amber color before you add the curry. Now we're going to add in the boiled mango. Now you can also do the same thing with pomsite or apples. In goes chopped pimento and hot peppers, garlic, green seasoning or shadow benny or cilantro. We're going to add in our amchar masala, and on the back of the amchar masala you can find my mango tikari recipe. We're going to add that in, and we'll also go in with jeera, and on the back of the jeera pack also has a recipe for jeera chicken. So you want to add in the jeera. Now you can add a little bit of salt here if you wanted to, and you're going to mix to combine. You want to distribute those seasonings and spices really well throughout the mango, and we're going to allow this to cook in here. We're going to fry it up so it locks in the flavor in the mango. So just for about 5 to 6 minutes. You can crank that heat up, add some water to create a sauce, and then give this a mix. Cover it and allow it to cook until the mango is tender, the sauce thickens, and it's nice and ooey gooey. You want to check it, give it a mix, allow it to continue to cook until it's done. Now after about 20 minutes, this is what it looks like. For me, it's perfect where it is here. If you want it to cook longer and get softer, it's all up to you. So you can cook it to the tenderness you would like, and if you like it saucy, you want to leave it with some of that extra liquid. And all you have to do is taste and adjust your salt, and then this is ready to be served. So thank you Auntie Merlin for sharing your recipe with us. If you guys make it, comment, let me know what you think. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.